Hi everyone. In this session, we'll learn how to fire an event and send notifications through that. So for that, first we need to register an event and then we need to fire that event using the trigger. So we'll check that today. So first, we have to navigate to event registry module and let's create an event. So today I'm taking incident table as an example. So I'll create an event on incident table. So the scenario, demo scenario, something like the state changes to any other state, like from in progress, from the state changes to in progress. So some event has been occurred and then the notification should trigger according to that. So let's give this event name something like that. Send update in progress. Select the table here. So I'm taking incident table as an example here. Fired by, you can mention what way you are firing this event. So there are several ways to fire an event. So I'm in this session, I'm showing you how to fire event by using a business rule. So just save this. So we need this event name. So keep it open so that we can use that event name. Now navigate to business rules first. And we need to write a business rule on incident table to fire this event, which has been created newly. So for that, okay. So I'm writing like notify caller in progress. So based on your use case, you can mention any name here. So need to select incident table here. So the action is happening on the incident table as state is changing to in progress. So we have to select incident table here. Then we have to mark advance as we are using some script here. And after that, we have to select the vendor and condition. Here we need to make after update. Why? Because the incident state changes to in progress. So it is happening there, some update. So we need to select after update. Then here we have to mention the filter conditions, that is state changes to in progress. Some error has been occurred here. So let's just reload this page and check. So same details I'm giving here. I have to select incident table here. After update, and here we have to select the filter condition, state changes to in progress. And we need to file that event. So in order to file that event, we have a function called gs dot event queue, or here there are some parameters. So the first parameter will be the event name, which we have to give it in a string. Then the second parameter will be the object of the record, on which record it is happening, the event is happening. So as we are updating the current record, so we need to give here the current record object. Then the third parameter will be to which user. For example, we are sending this to a caller on incident form, right? So for that, just open the incident form and check the caller names field backend. So here you can see the caller field backend names. Caller underscore ID. So just mention it current dot caller underscore ID, so that I'll show you how to configure this in the notification so that the caller will receive the notification while changing the state to in progress. Okay. So the first parameter is the event name, and the second is the object which we on the record is updating, and the third is the send, that whom to send. And we can add some more parameters here to whom to send. So I'm using only caller ID here. So Just save this. Now we have an event ready and a business rule to fire that event. Now we need to create a notification, and this should be sent when that particular event is fired. So for that, just navigate to notifications under system notifications, and here just create a new notification. I'm naming it as a demo notification, as it is a demo notification, and the table is incident as we are triggering it on the incident table. So just select incident table here. And under the when to run, when to send, here you can see record inserted or updated, which we have already learned it in the previous sessions. So just select event is fired, and the event name must be selected here. So the event name is send updates in progress. So just search for it. Under the alphabetical order, you can find that send event incident, send update in progress. See, here you can send update in progress that we have created. So just select advanced view so that you can send it to the parameters which we have mentioned in the event queue in the business tool. So under who will receive section, here you can mark event palm1 contains receipt, which means under the business tool, you can see here you have mentioned current.caller ID. So this will be the event palm under the notification. Event palm1 contains recipient. Okay. So when you select this, the email, this particular notification will trigger to that particular user, whoever in the field, in the caller field. Okay. So this way you can add it, and send to event creator means whoever making the changes to that particular, and when the event is firing, like if I change as an admin, I change this type, this state to in progress. So I will be the event creator. So that particular notification was also triggers to me. So I just don't want this to happen. Only the user who are in the caller field should receive that. So just mark this. Then what it will contain. You can add your subject and message body based on your use case. I'm just adding here as demo notification event fight, and I just add the number. So for that, I need to write this same line. I'm copying it to the body as well. So just save this and check how it is performing now. So everything is set to ready. So far, in order to fire an event and trigger a notification, we have created a event on the incident table first. Then we have created a business tool to fire that particular event with the conditions as follows. After updating the record and state changes to in progress, under the advanced section, the scripting part, we have firing that event using this particular line. gs.event queue, send update in progress is the event name, then the object of the current record, and then whoever the user has to receive the particular notification we have mentioned here. And then after that, we have created a notification, and under the when to send conditions, we have selected send when event is fired, and we have selected the event name which we have created earlier. And under who will receive, we have marked event palm1 contains recipient, which I have explained earlier. So what it will contain, the body and the subject, all this has been given now. So let's navigate to the incident record and check how it is working. So just selecting able tutor here and adding some short description. I'm creating this now. First, I'm creating it to the new. As I have mentioned, state changes to in progress. So just state is changing to in progress and saving now. Let's see how it will perform. Okay. So once the state is updated to in progress, the event will be fired, and we have to check under the emails. So just refresh that. See here, you can see the demo notification event 5. This is 5 from the event. See the body we have given, the notification, the same subject is reflecting there. You can see the subject is this and the body is this, the same is reflecting in this event. So this way you can create an event and use it to trigger notifications by firing that event. So some more types of some more Scenarios are going to come, so please keep watching. Thank you.